Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now I just stopped at a couple of stores. No rhyme or reason. It's a collective little haul here, so I don't want to put anything away until I show you first. So let's start over here on this side. So I did stop at the Dollar Tree and I think I have everything sorted in order. So I picked up this breakfast peanut butter crackers, okay? Let's give that a try. And then I saw that they had this Jim Beam, this bourbon vanilla flavor coffee, ground coffee. Doesn't that sound delicious? So I got one of those. Then I did open, we have two of these. The other one is over there by the couch. So I love oatmeal cookies, so I grabbed two of these. Now all right, this came from the other store. All right, so here we have, okay, I absolutely love using these bags when I'm sorting my crafts. They're heavy duty, I call them Ziploc. I think you pinch them together, but they're good quality bags. They're good for storage and to protect stuff. I like it because it's not a box and you can manipulate it wherever you're trying to store. So I got the extra large bag. So, and it's heavy duty. These are so good, guys, for $1.25. So I got 3 of those because that's all they had. All right, let me move this over here. Now I stopped at Weiss Foods, which is one of our grocery stores, not the normal one I go to, which is Giant. This one is Weiss. And they have these little cinnamon rolls here. I want to see if I could do something, and I'm going to need some of these desserts to do like a cozy corner. All right, now here I have the Folgers Simply Smooth Gentle on Your Stomach coffee. I want to give this a try. Sometimes my stomach bothers me and I'm not sure, but I grabbed this. I thought this was new. I don't think I've ever seen that. Then I needed some more of this chicken broth because I need it for these recipes. My son absolutely loved the one I just made yesterday. If you haven't watched Quick and Easy Meals, it's a collaboration that I have every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we make any kind of recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, grilling, you name it. If you're cooking it or making it, upload the video, guys, and we'll put it in the playlist. I'll put it in the playlist. So here at Dollar Tree, I saw this all-purpose cleaner, and it is made by Awesome, okay? And it says rust, lime, calcium. I'm going to see how this does in my bathroom. So I got one of these. Then look at the size of this, 50% more Glass Plus wipes. How could you go wrong for $1.25? This would cost a lot more money somewhere else. So no, it's 160 wipes. That's pretty awesome. Now, I stopped at Ace Hardware. This is a sample. This is what their sample paint colors looks like. So I had asked for, then you know what, I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name. It is in the lavender family, and I wanted a test color container, and that's a lot of paint in there. So I'll show you this in one of my DIYs on my main channel, which is the Grace Life DIY home decor. And then these were like two for what, 13? I don't even know if that's right. 2 for $7. I'm sorry, 2 for $7. I don't know where I got 13 from, but I got these 2 pretty colors. Aren't they? I'm absolutely loving that lavender, and of course the pink is a staple for me. Very pretty. So I got that. Now also, this belonged with the food over there, but my son loves cherries, so I got him some fresh cherries. Just some, not much, but just a little bit. And now these are the jumbo storage bags that I use, and they're what, for like they're like for comforters and stuff like that. I store my crafts in here, guys. So this is the jumbo storage bag, and it comes with a zipper. And look, so this was like $7, but I'm telling you, it's so worth it because you can condense your crafts into these bags. And yeah, this is going to help me do a declutter, which, by the way, make sure you look out for those videos. I'm going to link my 3 channels below. One of them is Moments of Grace. If you like devotionals, spiritual teachings, Bible teachings, all of that, you'll find that over at Moments of Grace. I'm going to link that below. This, of course, is Simply Grace, which is more of my home life. And then my main channel is The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And I would love for you to head on over there. Guys, I do so many collaborations over there. So many DIYs, tablescapes, so many things. You will not be disappointed. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.